Welcome to this new day. Welcome to your quiet power. Take a deep breath in and release. Take another deep breath in and exhale. Feeling peaceful, feeling open-hearted, feeling relaxed. Today is your day. Imagine your day unfolding from this moment until the moment you lay your head down for rest. What does it look like? Imagine yourself showing up in a way that makes you proud, that makes you feel good, and that lights you up. See it now. See yourself quiet power in every circumstance today, knowing that everything is working out for you. Everything is unfolding exactly as it should. What does today look like? Creating your reality. How do you enter the room? How do you respond? And how do you show up? Great job. And it's your job today to own your energy, protect it, direct it. Pause before responding. Trust yourself and follow through on your commitments. You are not seeking approval. You are bringing presence, and your calm speaks before you do. Your grounded energy shifts the atmosphere, and your magnetism draws the right circumstances and people towards you. Feel your light. It's not flashy or loud. It's steady and respected. Today, you lead yourself with quiet power. Take another deep breath in, sitting up with anticipation and excitement for today, because it's going to be a good one. Carry this quiet power with you. We'll see you tomorrow.